Chapter 9: Capital Adequacy Norms and Basel Accords. 1. Importance of capital for banks. Capital is crucial for banks as it acts as a cushion against losses, ensures financial stability and confidence, helps meet regulatory requirements, supports lending and business expansion, protects depositors' money. Banks face risks like credit risk, market risk, and operational risk. Adequate capital helps absorb these risks and prevents bank failures. 2. Capital Adequacy Ratio (CAR). CAR is the ratio of a bank's capital to its risk-weighted assets (RWA). It ensures that banks have enough capital to cover potential losses. Formula: CAR equals to Tier 1 capital plus Tier 2 capital divided by risk-weighted assets into 100, where Tier 1 capital is core capital, paid-up capital plus statutory reserves plus disclosed free reserves, minus equity investment in subsidiary plus intangible assets plus current and brought minus forward losses. Tier 2 capital is supplementary capital A, undisclosed reserves plus B, general loss reserves plus C, hybrid debt capital instruments and subordinated debts. Risk-weighted assets (RWA) is assets weighted based on risk, example loans to governments versus loans to businesses. Let's consider an example to illustrate the calculation of the capital adequacy ratio for a bank in India. Tier 1 capital is 800 crore rupees. Tier 2 capital is 300 crore rupees. Risk-weighted assets is 2000 crore rupees. Using the formula, capital adequacy ratio (CAR) equals to Tier 1 capital plus Tier 2 capital divided by risk-weighted assets into 100. CAR equals to 800 crore rupees plus 300 crore rupees divided by 2000 crore rupees into 100%. CAR equals to 1100 crore rupees divided by 2000 crore rupees into 100%. CAR equals to 55%. Therefore, the capital adequacy ratio in this example for a bank in India is 55%. 3. Basel Accords. The Basel Accords are international banking regulations developed by the Basel Committee on Banking Supervision (BCBS) to ensure financial stability. Basel I, 1988, introduced CAR with a minimum of 8%. Focused on credit risk. Classified assets into risk-weighted categories 0%, 20%, 50%, 100%. Basel II, 2004. Improved risk assessment by including 1. Minimum capital requirements, CAR still at 8%. 2. Supervisory review process, bank monitoring by regulators. 3. Market discipline, public disclosure of risk exposure. Included operational risk along with credit and market risk. Basel III, 2010, post-global financial crisis reforms. Stricter capital requirements to prevent financial crisis. Increased minimum CAR to 10.5%, including Tier 1 capital, 6%, including 4.5% as common equity Tier 1. Capital conservation buffer, 2.5% to absorb shocks. Countercyclical buffer, 0 to 2.5% during economic booms. Introduced liquidity coverage ratio (LCR) and net stable funding ratio (NSFR) to manage liquidity risks. Capital adequacy norms ensure financial stability, protect depositors, and prevent banking crises. The Basel Accords have evolved to address risks more comprehensively, strengthening the global financial system.